Looking at a couple examples, we have example 8 in your textbook. A, y equals 1 plus 3x all over x squared plus 1. So we want this to look like f of x equals u of x over v of x. Okay, so in other words, we're going to let u equal 1 plus 3x, and we're going to let v equal x squared plus 1. We can then take the derivative of u, which is 3, the derivative of v, which is 2x. Using our quotient rule, dy dx would then equal, I guess I should have used a y up here instead of an f of x. Okay, so dy dx is u dash v subtract uv dash all over v squared. So 3 multiplied by x squared plus 1. Subtract 1 plus 3x multiplied by 2x all over x squared plus 1 all squared. See if we can simplify that sum. If we wanted to, we could take this out further, expand our numerator, 3x squared plus 3, subtract 6x squared, subtract 2x. We can just keep this denominator because we know there's nothing in common, and therefore, combining our like terms, negative 3x squared, subtract 2x plus 3 all over x squared plus 1 all squared. Final answer. And part B of number 8 of the example, y equals square root of x divided by 1 subtract 2x all squared. Now notice there's an all squared there in our original function. Therefore, we're going to need to use the chain rule within here. So, let u equal root of x, which is x to the power of 1/2. The derivative of that is 1/2 x to the power of negative 1/2. Let v equal 1 minus 2x all squared. Therefore, v dash is 2 times 1 minus 2x. That would now be the power of 1 multiplied by the derivative of this inside function, which is negative 2. Simplifying, negative 4 times 1 minus 2x. dy dx equals fill in what we know. All squared to the power of 2. Try to simplify if we can. Ooh, we are going to be able to simplify. We can factor out something that's in common here. Plus 4x to the power of 1/2 times 1 minus 2x all over 1 minus 2x, power of a power, multiply the exponents to the power of 4. Now notice that we have in this term, we have a 1 minus 2x to the power of 2. In this term, we have a 1 minus 2x, and in our denominator, 1 minus 2x to the power of 4. Okay, so we can factor out one of those 1 subtract 2 x's to simplify down to 1/2 x to the power of negative half. 1 minus 2x, that'll now only be one of those, plus 4 x to the power of 1/2. There won't be any of those there. All over 1 minus 2x, and this will now be to the power of 3. Okay, we can actually take this further. Wow. Okay, I'm going to change these to roots. So this will be 1 over 2 root x, that first term. This will be subtract root x. This will be plus 4 root x. All over this. So we can combine like terms up here. Plus 3 root x. Get a common denominator in our numerator. Plus 3 root x times 2 root x over 2 root x all over equals 1 plus 6 root x all over 2 root x, which is all over, and get to the same answer, you are doing fine.